The following is a class on the Bhagavad Gita as it is, 4th chapter, text number 4, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on March 24th, 1974, in Bombay, India.
Aparang bhavatu janma, parang janma vivassata, kathametad vijaniyang, tamadu pruktavaniti. Arjuna knew it perfectly well that Krishna, his friend, is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But to clarify the matter for others, because those who are not devotees, they cannot understand Krishna or Bhagavad Gita. That we have explained in the previous verse. Krishna says that the subject matter of Bhagavad Gita is a great mystery, rahasam. But because you are my devotee and because you are my friend, therefore I am again speaking to you the same yoga system which was long millions of years ago I spoke to the sun god. Imang vivassati yogam prastavan aham abhayam. It is lost now. Sakalena yoganashta parantapa. Because the parampara system has been diverted or misused, therefore it is now lost. But still, I shall again repeat the same yoga system, which is very old, Purana. Although I spoke it first to Vibhushan, the sun god. Vibhushan is the present sun god or the president. Just like you have got the president in your country, the Americans, they have got their president. Similarly, each and every planet has got its president. The present president is called Vibhushan. Of course, their duration of life is very great, greater than ours. But still, they are also human being. They are also living being, having a different type of body. They can live in that sun planet, although it is fiery. That I have already explained. The children must not talk. So Arjuna knew it perfectly well. Because there are foolish men like me, they cannot understand that Krishna spoke this Bhagavad Gita millions of years ago to the sun god. We immediately say these are all story. But it is not story, it is fact. Therefore, Krishna, to clarify the matter, Arjuna, to clarify matter to the fools like us, is asking this question that, my dear Krishna, we are contemporary. As I am born some years ago, you are also born some years ago. We are cousin brothers. So how can I believe that you spoke this science or the yoga system of Bhagavad Gita to the sun god? Suppose if I say, just now I coming from sun planet and I talk with sun god, will you believe me? When he is talking nonsense. He is coming from sun planet. So, this is possible to inquire by the layman, because people understand Krishna is like us. Avajananti magamudha manusem tanumarsitam param bhavam avajananti. We accept Krishna, general people. Sometimes we do not accept. There are many so-called scholars. they say that there was no Krishna. It is all fictitious. There was no battlefield of Kurukshetra. It is all fictitious. They imagine their own meaning. But that is not the fact. Krishna is also historical. At the same time, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. These things cannot be understood unless one is a devotee. Therefore in the previous verse it has been said, Bhaktosi. The mystery of Bhagavad Gita can be opened, disclosed to the devotees, not to the non-devotees. The non-devotees may speculate in their specific platform of activities as politician or as mundane philosopher or mundane scientist, but that is not the fact. The facts should be learned from the devotees of Krishna. Therefore we are presenting Bhagavad Gita as it is, and it is being accepted all over the world. We have the greatest sale of our edition, this Bhagavad Gita. Just 3 months before I got report in London, in 2 months we sold about 30,000 copies. And the trades manager of Macmillan Company, he has sent me later that while the other editions they are diminishing, this edition is increasing by sale. Why? Because it is presented as it is, without any wrong interpretation. People are appreciating. This is a fact. So, people do not believe that Krishna is a historical person, at the same time he is the Supreme Personality of God. They think that he is a very learned man or a great politician or a beautiful man like that. Avajananti mang mudha manusim tanumasita param bhava avajan. They do not understand the background of Krishna. So this thing is being clarified by the question of Arjuna. Aparang bhavato janma. You are born along with me, you are my contemporary. And parang janma vivasata. And the sun god or the president of the sun, Mr. Vivasat, he is long, long ago. How can I believe that you talked with him? This is the question. Aparang bhavato janma, parang janma vivasataha, katham etad vijaniya. How I shall believe it? Yes. This is possible to inquire like that. Tamadu praptavan iti. You first of all spoke this. This is the difference between God and the living entity. God does not forget. We forget. This answer will be the next verse. Bahuni me batitani janmani tavacha arjuna tani aham veda sarvani. I understand, I know everything. In another place Krishna that I know the past, present, future. That is knowledge. Knowledge means, perfect knowledge means past, present and future. There are many foretelling in the Srimad Bhagavatam about this Kali Yuga. They are stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Means future. Srimad Bhagavatam was written 5,000 years ago. Still, what was stated at that time, they are coming to be true. That is called Shastra. Past, present and future. So Krishna knows everything. Vedaham samiti tani. He says that I know everything, past, present and future. That is perfect knowledge. Why you are hankering after Krishna? Because he is perfect. We are not perfect. We have got so many deficiencies. We commit mistake. We are illusion. We cheat. And our senses are imperfect. We cannot acquire knowledge